Hi and welcome back to Stealth Security. So this video is part of a series of HackTheBox walkthroughs that I'll be doing. I'm going to choose all the very easy boxes. So we'll have separate playlists for very easy boxes, a separate playlist for easy boxes, and so on. So this mission I'm going to look at is the Meow box. It's supposed to be very easy. So let's go ahead and try it. I've started it. Here's the IP address. Let's open the terminal. So the first thing we have to do is we have to make sure that there is an active connection between the attack box, the one that we are using, and the target. So let's do a simple ping command and make sure that we can access this server. Yeah, we can. Okay. So I usually try to do an nmap scan and get as much as information as possible about the IP address. So nmap, I need service version. I also like to add the script scan because it gives you way more detail than a simple service version scan. And I need some verbosity and the IP address. Let's see what we can find. This might take a couple of minutes, but if you want to speed up your scans, you can use T5. So T3 is the default for nmap. If you increase it to T5, your scans will be much faster. But let's see what this finds. There are also a few questions which this task asks for. Let's try filling them one by one. What does the acronym VM stands for? Virtual machine. As you can see, these are extremely easy boxes. I thought it's good to start from the beginning and go through as much boxes as possible because there are a lot of people who might not understand the basics. So it's a good way for them to start with the easy boxes. What tool do we use to interact with the OS? Know how to issue commands with the command line. It's a terminal. Okay. What service do we use to form our VPN connection into HackTheBox Labs? I think it's OpenVPN. So OpenVPN is basically a virtual private network, meaning both the attack mission and the target is going to be on the same virtual network so that we can access the target from the attack box. And for that, we use OpenVPN to set it up. So what tool do we use to test our connection to the target with my ICMP echo request ping, which we just did? What's the most common tool for finding open ports on a target? Nmap. We just used it. What service do we identify on port 23 during our scans? Let's see. Okay, there is just one port open, which is 23. It's Telnet. Telnet is one of the weakest protocols. It's not even in use. So if there is Telnet exposed, it means that the server is definitely vulnerable. Okay, port 23, it's Telnet. What username is able to log into the target over Telnet with a blank password? Okay, so let's check if we can log in using Telnet and clear the screen. Telnet and the IP address. Okay, it's asking for the login. Since it is Telnet, I'm just going to assume that there is some kind of default authentication which is open. So let's try admin with an empty password. Okay, what about administrator? Nope. What about root? Oh, there we go. We have root access. Okay, so where am I? I'm /root. Okay, so the default here is root and an empty password. That worked. Okay, what username? It's root. And the last and final question is submit the root flag. As you can see, this is an extremely easy box. And if you don't know what Telnet is, this is an opportunity to understand how Telnet works. And Telnet is a weak protocol. There are much better protocols like SSH that we use to log into a remote server. So let's print out flag.txt and finish this box. Okay, Neo has been successfully pawned. I hope this walkthrough was useful. If you found this video interesting, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more cybersecurity content. See you soon with a new box. Cheers.